What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check this HDMI converter. Well, this is the upgraded one and also the costly one. So this is the box packing. You can see 4K HDR, HDMI to HDMI plus audio plus ARC, and this thing is made in China. Some features are there on this side. Let's open this. And at the top you get this user manual, and here you can see HDMI 2.0B extractor converter, 7.1 channel Atmos. So this thing will give you 7.1 channel Atmos support and 4K HDR. So that's the main device. The aluminum casing, nicely built. Here you can see on this side, that's the HDMI input, and that's the 3.5 mm socket for audio out, analog audio out, and that's a selection switch for 2.0, 5.1 and 7.1. So you can select like that. And on the other side, these are the output connections, and here you can see the HDMI output. This will be connected to the TV, monitor or projector, whatever display device you're having, and that's the SPDIF optical out for audio or music system or soundbar or anything. And this thing you can connect to your soundbar, music system, home theater or anything which has the HDMI input. This HDMI is for that. The audio only, you can see it in there. And that's the micro USB connector for 5-volt power supply. So here you can see this is the USB cable, USB 1 to USB B, type B, and that's a given adapter which output is 5-volt 1 amp output. But if you are using this device with your PC or laptop, then you can connect this thing to your desktop USB or laptop USB socket. You don't need the adapter. So here you can see HDMI 2.0B converter with 7.1 audio formats and 7.1 channel Atmos and 4K and all the stuff are there. The other side you can see made in China. So that's it. Now we are gonna open this thing and gonna check what's inside of this. So that's the kit, and that's the input side, HDMI and the socket and selection switch. And that's the output side, the audio only, and that's the optical, that's the power supply, and that's the main controller chip, main converter chip, which converts the audio from HDMI to optical and HDMI audio out and all. So pretty compact and nice design. And on the other side there's one more chip right there, other side of that place. I think this place was made for one chip just like this, but instead of that chip they use this kind of chip, and some SMD components are there all around. That's it, pretty simple thing. Now let me tell you the price of this thing. This thing is cost $2,999 on Amazon. So you must think this is costly. Yes, this is costly, and this kind of kit, you know, should not be that much costly. But the point is, many people don't know that this kind of converter exists, and this is like less known product, not widely available, and not many people are buying this thing. That's why I think this thing is costly, because it's newly introduced to us, to the Amazon India. So that's it. If you want to ask me anything about this converter or any other thing connected to audio or converter like this thing, you can ask me in the comments below. I'd love to reply to all of you guys. So Stay tuned for more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel and share the video with all your friends. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.